mag-Lego challenge. Ayan, kasi nga super busy tayo. Ayan, gawa ng, there's so many, work around us. That's why I can, I can't Lego challenge because of, hectic, time. That's why. So now, we're just in Lego challenge for today. Ayan, so, keep it, ayan. No, it's a joke, guys. Ayan, so I'll start for my Lego challenge because it's late. It's already 3:43 and we have work today. We need to finish it already 4 o'clock. Then maybe 4:30 we can out of this house. Yes. Go, guys. Ayan, shower now, guys. And guys, so there's so many requests for Lego challenge, but I'm sorry because I'm so busy. I'm so busy, guys. Sorry. This month, we're so busy because of I have training for RTC license for security guards. Yes, because my license is August 2 is expired. So we need to renew. So we have renewal license, but we need to we have training for that. Yes, we have 1 week training and we have also training for guns and firing, as we call the security called firing. Yes, we're going to firing range, then practice how to use gun for safety. It's only a dry run, guys, because sometimes when the guard is over familiarities for all things that she did or he did. Ayan. So masyado na siyang parang at home na alam ko na yan, ganyan. No, we need to have exercise every year. Ayan, every 6 months. Yes, for you to tawag ito, para po magawa mo na maayos yung work mo sa isang company or sa isang establishment na pinapasukan mo, ganun siya. So, super mahalaga talaga yung work namin, guys, as a security. Ayan. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, kung anong trabaho namin, tawag nila sa trabaho namin is trabahong kaman. So, hindi lang nila alam kung gaano kahirap maging isang security. So, sa mga tao magsasabi ng gano'n, try to become a security so that you know how to become tamad work. No? So, kasi nakikita nila, always nakikita nila na guard is always, standing. Ayan. Akala siguro ng, akala siguro empleyado or someone see the security that Ang trabaho lang ng security is to stand up there. Di nila alam na kung ang isang security is nakatayo doon, napakadami ang minomonitor. Because security is always in monitoring. That's why someone say, oh, tamad na trabaho. Lagi lang nakatayo, nakaupo. Pumunta lang dito para sweldohan na nakaupo. Oh my God. That's not true. Try to become a security so that you know what is the worth of security professional. So, you see, marami tayong mga empleyado, every manager, regular employees in the company, no? So, wala silang license, ayan. So, security is have a license like nurse, doctor, like that, ayan. So, nakahiliran ako sa lahat ng sa mga taong may license. So, hindi kami pwede mag-duty pag wala kami lisensya. So, pag may lisensya na, saka mag-duty. That's why, 2 months pa lang bago ma-expire yung license ko. Ayan, nag-ano na ako. Nag-training na ako. Para, pagdating ng August, na-expire na yung license ko, guys. Ayan. So, meron na akong license again. So, pwede na po ako tuloy-tuloy mag-duty. Ganun siya. So, hindi tayo maka-excuse ng duty natin kasi, ayan, nilakad natin ng maaga. Ayan. Big tips yun natin. Ayan. Tips yan sa mga sa mga taong laging nahuhuli pagdating sa mga ayan. Hindi na ako mapasok kasi hindi pa ako nakakuha ng na mga requirements, ganyan. Dapat hindi ganon. Pag alam mo naman na malapit ka na mag-expire, so you need to renew the requirements so that you always have work, of course. Yung start kasi guys yung Zoom namin, ayun, 10:30 to 2:30. That's why, pagdating ko dito sa bahay, ayan, nagkukumahog na ako niya na magluto, maglinis, ayan. Sometimes hindi na po ako nakakapaglinis yung mga anak ko na lang. Then after that, nagawa po ako ng mga content, ng mga short video na lang din ang nagagawa ko kasi nga, no time na, wala na talagang time. So after noon guys, ayan, pag nakakain na ako, ayan, nakapag-gawa na ako ng short video, ayun. Ayun, magla-live naman ako niyan sa sa Facebook. So my Facebook pala guys is Heidi Inyo Alejo. So, 1 hour po ako doon nagla-live. Then after that, ayan, nagla-live na din ako dito sa YouTube channel. Ayan. So, tapos yan guys, ayan, minsan kinukulang ako sa YouTube channel lang live. Ayan, kasi nga, naiipit ako doon sa Zoom namin sa security. Siyempre, nag-start siya. I don't know if ever, sa tomorrow is, sabi,